Hey guys, so today's video is going to be my January Boxycharm unboxing. I thought we ended 2018 on a good note. I really liked last month's box, so I'm excited to see how we kick off 2019. I did see a couple of spoilers online, but honestly, you never know what you're going to get because there are a couple of different variations. If you guys are not familiar, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription service. So when you sign up, you do get a box every single month with 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. They ship to the US and Canada, so I'll link their website in the description box below if you guys want more info, and I include like the box weight, the variation, all of that in the description box, so check down there if you guys are interested. But let's jump into it, see what's inside, see if it's as good as last month. Okay, so the theme is boxy and chill. The card is really cute. It has like popcorn on it, which I think is really fun. I don't know what that has to do with the products, but we will see. The first thing in here is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I kind of feel like we got this in a previous box, but it might have actually been their heat protectant or the blow dry cream. Honestly, I'm not sure. Briogeo is one of my favorite hair care brands. I think their products are really nice. I actually like using this product on days when I let my hair air dry, which is something that I've been trying to do more often. My natural hair is very frizzy, very wavy. It used to be curly, but the curls have kind of fallen out. So now it's just more so frizzy, and I've been trying to cut back on the heat, and I'll actually just let it air dry most days. After I get out of the shower, I'll spray this in my hair and just let it completely air dry. I won't even comb it through. And my hair is so much less frizzy. It's very soft. It feels moisturized and it just looks really healthy. I also like this product because it doesn't weigh my hair down. A lot of leave-in conditioners just make my hair look a little bit oily, a little bit heavy and weighed down, and this one does not do that. Most Briogeo products don't weigh my hair down. So I do like this product. I think this is like a deluxe size sample, I'm pretty sure, but it will be nice to have in my collection for when I go out of town. The next thing in here is a long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Havana Nights. Oh, this is by Ofra. I literally just decluttered my liquid lipstick collection and I had 2 Ofra lipsticks. I actually had I had 4 Ofra lipsticks and all of them were in different packaging. So I feel like Ofra is constantly rebranding. Honestly, the Ofra liquid lipstick formula is really good. I think that the 2 that I have, I actually got in Boxycharm. So I am definitely looking forward to using this shade. This is a shade that I will love and use regularly. I've kind of been getting back into dramatic lip colors lately. I've been wearing a lot of red liquid lipsticks, so honestly this is perfect for me. The next thing in here is by the brand Starlux. It is their Black Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. So I don't know if I've tried anything from this brand. It sounds kind of familiar, but I can't think of what I would have tried from the brand. I'm actually going to do, I was going to do a try-on unboxing because a lot of you guys have been asking for that. I don't have time today. I might try that next month, but what I was thinking is every 3 months, I might just grab all of the products from the previous 3 boxes and do a get ready with me and review all of the products for you and let you know what I love and what I don't love, because it's kind of like a follow-up review. I like doing unboxings, but I would love to do like some sort of follow-up video. So I'm thinking about doing that. In the meantime, of course, I will swatch this for you guys, but it is like a retractable eyeliner rather than an eyeliner pencil, which is usually what I prefer. All right, the next thing in here, I did see a spoiler for this, and it totally caught my eye. So it is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. We actually got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette, I want to say like a year ago, maybe like a year and a half ago, and I had purchased that palette previously. I didn't like it, I decluttered it, but because we got it in our Boxycharm, I decided to try it out again, and I still didn't like it. But as I was going through the Sephora website shortly after that, I saw this palette, and it totally caught my eye. Every time I'm on Sephora's website, I look at this palette. I'm not even kidding you guys. So when I saw we were getting these, I wasn't sure which shade I would get, if I would even get one, and I am so excited I got this one. I usually go one of 2 directions with my eyeshadow looks. I usually go very dramatic and very colorful, or I go very subtle and very simple. And lately I've been taking one shadow, blending it into the crease, and then metallic like gold or champagne and placing it all over the lid. These are going to be perfect for those subtle everyday eyeshadow looks. These are going to be really nice if you are into very subtle shades. I wonder if everybody is going to be a fan of this because it does come with mainly metallic shadows. You get one matte shadow, which I don't even know how matte this actually is. Okay, this shadow blends right into my skin tone. It will probably show up a little bit better on the eyes. That's the matte shadow. Can you guys even see that? I'll do close-up swatches for you. But I know a lot of people automatically write off an eyeshadow palette if it does not have enough matte shadows in it. I like metallic shadows. I will wear them in the crease, but really I don't typically use one palette when I'm doing my eyeshadow looks. I always reach for like 2 or 3 palettes, so I don't mind a palette that doesn't have a lot of matte shadows. You could probably use these as highlighters on your face as well, but I don't know if the formula would be the most ideal on your cheeks because it is a little bit of like a drier formula, so I feel like it would probably enhance texture. But I will test it out and keep you guys posted. I should have done a try-on unboxing. I just didn't have time to do it today, but I will use it in an upcoming video and let you guys know what I think. So I'm excited I got this one. All right, and the last thing in here, this is something that I did see on their Instagram as well. We got 2 products from Tatcha. This is actually my first Tatcha product, I think. I've never tried the brand. I've been intrigued by the brand, but it is a little bit more on the expensive side. I know a lot of people love their products, but these are their Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. So like I said, we got 2, which is really nice. So these are meant for normal to dry skin. I do have oily skin, but I find that I use skincare and makeup products that are more so meant for people who have normal or dry skin because I just like my skin to feel really hydrated. So basically it's supposed to be ultra hydrating and give you a dewy glow. So I will definitely try this out because I have been curious about Tatcha. I would love to hear your favorite Tatcha products if you guys have any recommendations. When I did an anti-haul, I mentioned that I was not going to try their primer, and I got so many comments telling me that it is worth the hype. So I might actually end up grabbing the primer. I saw on Instagram they actually released a deluxe sized version of it, I think. If they did, I'll link it in the description box below, but I'm pretty sure they did. So I'll probably end up grabbing that because I don't need a full-sized primer right now. But in the meantime, I will definitely try these out. This was such a good box. I think every single thing in here is something that I'm super excited about, with maybe the exception of the eyeliner, just because I don't really wear a lot of black eyeliner. But every other brand is a brand that I love. And I've actually tried a lot of these products like the Briogeo Rosarco Milk, the Ofra lipstick, and then I've been wanting to try Tatcha, and this Tarte palette has been on my wish list. I'm not even kidding. So such a good box. I'm really, really excited. Let me know in the comments below what you guys got. If you got the same products or something different. I think there was like a Bite Beauty variation, so maybe instead of the Ofra lipstick, you would get a Bite Beauty lipstick. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.